Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard text layout or your keyboard text format. So how do you go about doing that, guys? I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So if you swipe up and tap on, for example, the search, you now see that you have your keyboard text showing, for example, at the top left there, QWERTY. So how do you change this up to have a different format? You want to simply go to your settings. So all you have to do is just simply open up settings on your phone here, then go to the general management, click on the Samsung keyboard settings, and then you want to click on language and types or languages and types. Now here at the top you have the language here, which is showing English. That's basically because my keyboard is English keyboard here. Now if you tap on that, you have few options. Now let's take, for example, the AZERTY. You can tap on that. Now if I simply minimize this and try to go back to somewhere where I can type, for example, a search, you can see now that it's now changed to the AZERTY. Right, let's go back again and let me change it to another one. For example, let's do the one with the QWERTZ. Now if I simply minimize again and swipe up and go there, you can see that it changes well to the QWERTZ. So that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and change your keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone format. Very easy and very simple, guys.